Math in 3 with Mrs. Z.
Let's talk about domain and range of a function. What's a relation? A relation is a set of ordered pairs. It's just a relationship between two sets of data. More specifically, though, we have functions. And functions are where each x is paired with exactly one y value. When x is paired with more than one y, it's a relation. When it's paired with only one y, then it's a function. There's different ways that we can represent relations and functions. You have definitely seen ordered pairs before. If you take those same set of ordered pairs and you put them in a visual like this, we call it a table. You could also graph those ordered pairs, or you can do what's called a mapping diagram, where you're mapping your x value over to each y value. All four of these represent data in different visuals to help us see correlations between the data. Within data sets, we have our domain, which is our x values, also known as input or independent variable, and then we also have range, and range is the y values. Range is also known as output or dependent variable. Now we can find the domain and range of a graph. We have to look at the x values for the domain. So we're taking numbers off of this blue axis. We're kind of asking what is the most left and most right part of the function. So the most left part of our function is right here, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We went in the negative direction, so that'd be -7. And the other side of our graph goes to the right at 4. So we would say that our x values start at -7 and they go to 4. We're including both of those, so we use brackets. You could also write that x is between 7 and 4. We would use two less than signs to say that -7 is less than x and x is less than 4. We could do the same thing for our y values. Now y is what's the lowest and highest point, so we're taking our values off of the y-axis. The lowest point of our graph is right here. The lowest point is at -2. The highest point of our graph is at 1. So we would say that our y values go from -2 to +1. Or you could write that y is between -2 and -1 with two less than or equal to signs. If you had open circles as your endpoints, remember we would want to use a less than sign. A closed circle means that we use a less than or equal to sign.
This was Math in 3 with Mrs. Z. Please like and subscribe below. Thanks.